Hi there and welcome back to the latest video in our line of database design and development tutorials. Today we're going to continue looking at sorting. This time we are going to look at something called a complex sort, which means we are going to sort in more than one piece of information. This means that we will have both a primary sort and a secondary sort. What we're going to look for is we're going to sort information from specific selected fields or entity attributes. So we are going to be looking for the surname, nationality and author reference, or actually we'll put them in correct order. We'll look at the nationality, the surname and the author reference of authors whose author reference is greater than 2000. Again, we've used that in the last couple of videos. And this time we're going to sort them by nationality in descending order and then surname in ascending order. And we'll have a look at those sorts of the results from them as well. So again, we will go to our create query design, SQL, and we are going to, I'm just going to paste that in just for to speed up the process. We are looking for nationality first. The order in which you put these in will be the order in which they will be displayed. So we want to see the nationality, then the surname, then the author reference. From the author table, where the author reference is greater than 2000, we're going to order by nationality in descending, DSESC, comma, surname ascending. So what that means is that the nationality field will be sorted first, and then any duplicate instances will then be sorted on surname. Okay, and that will become a wee bit clearer once we look at our results. So if I run this, you can see that we have our nationality field, our surname of our authors, and the author references, which are greater than 2000, which they are. Okay, now what we can see is we've sorted on nationality in descending order. So we've got Canadian, then British, then American. Okay, now this is our primary sort. So this field has been sorted first, and all the information has been sorted with this entity attribute or this field. Now, what I meant by a secondary sort is we're also sorting on surname ascending, okay, for any instances of the primary sort that are duplicate. So in this case, we have multiple results which are British. Okay, now this is where our secondary sort comes into play, because all of these results that are British are then sorted by surname in ascending order. So we can see Berry, Blake, Evans, Higgins, Hunter, Inkpen and Rowling. Okay, so we can see that these are now sorted in ascending order of surname. Okay, and the same with our results for American authors. We can see Carroll, Cornwell and Niven again sorted. So this is our primary sort and our secondary sort. Let's quickly look at the code again. Okay, so again, we've selected our nationality, entity attribute, our surname, entity attribute, and our author reference. They are displayed in that order. We have selected this information from that author table. Again, we are still only selecting information from one table. We haven't started to look at selecting information across multiple tables yet. We will do that later. Again, we have our where clause where we have our condition. Again, in this case, where author reference is greater than 2000, where we are using an arithmetic operator. And our fourth command is the order by clause, where we are ordering by and sorting by nationality in descending order from Z to A, and then surname in ascending order. Okay, and as we've seen from our results, once we sort our primary, okay, sort, which is nationality, we then sort duplicated instances of these within the surname field in ascending order. Hope that makes sense. Hope it was useful, and stay tuned for our next video.